So today we are going to elaborately talk about GFC. GFC, also known as growth factor concentrate, is a revolutionary non-surgical procedure to combat hair loss and stimulate the natural hair regrowth. This cutting-edge treatment, it uses highly concentrated growth factors, and these growth factors are derived from the patient's own blood, which are rich in regenerative proteins and that nourishes the hair follicles, improves the blood circulation in your scalp, and it triggers the natural growth phase of the hair. This treatment consists of three simple steps. Step number one, blood collection. Step number two, extraction of the growth factors. Step number three, scalp injection. So the growth factors are separated from the blood plasma using a specialized technology. And the serum is then injected into the scalp via small syringes. And this procedure, the downtime of this procedure is zero. So the growth factors is separated from the blood plasma using a specialized technology. Then the serum which is extracted is injected into the scalp via small syringes. Let us talk about who are the patients who is eligible or suitable for this procedure. So today with us we have a patient who has been suffering with hair loss for the past 1.5 years. Maybe she told us a history where she has been treated with a keratin hair treatment and post that her hair fall has increased. So now we are going to address her hair fall and we are also going to focus on increasing the hair volume. So these two are the concerns which is informed by our patient. So we are going to do GFC for her with a combination of microneedling. So here the first step is that withdrawal of blood, wherein we are collecting the patient's own blood, very few ml, not many. So it is just a 10 ml of blood which we are withdrawing for the patient. So post the blood collection or the blood withdrawal, we are disposing. So post the blood collection, we are inserting them into the GFC tubes, which will be later taken for centrifugation, wherein the blood cells are centrifuged and we are extracting the serum. So which is then taken for centrifugation, where the blood is centrifuged and we are extracting the blood plasma, which is rich in growth factors. So later that will be injected into the scalp via mini syringes. So post the centrifugation, you are going to have the blood serum, which is rich in growth factors, and this is then injected into the patient. So these are very small syringes, it is not going to hurt, but still we will be numbing the patient's scalp. So the first step during the injection will be numbing. So we are numbing her scalp to make her feel little more comfortable during the procedure. So today we are combining the treatment with microneedling, so which is in turn going to increase the blood circulation of the scalp, thereby promoting good blood flow to the follicles. And we have seen better results in patients when we are doing a combination of GFC with microneedling. So this is the patient's own blood serum. So since it is her initial sessions, we are just going to go with minimum depth. Okay. So let us start with 0.5 for the starting. Once the patient gets adapted to the procedure, we can increase the depth depending upon the patient's pain threshold. So with patients who are scared of injections or something like this, They can choose this procedure, that is microneedling, as an alternative option. It is not a solution, but they can choose it as an alternative option. This can be just kept as a maintenance procedure where we are increasing the blood circulation uh, to each follicles in the scalp. So we are injecting the plasma into the scalp. So this is just a vibrator to distract the patient. So very minimal pricks. We are almost done. That's it. So we are done with the injection. Now we are finishing the procedure with the biolight therapy. This is the last set where we are placing the biolight. Still better absorption of the product into her scalp. So this is how your GFC at Richardson Hospital goes. So please come and take your treatment.